To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to analyze repositories using CodeGPT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So analyzing repositories using CodeGPT, particularly through its code graph feature in CodeGPT Studio, involves various different steps. For this, you need to go to CodeGPT itself. So once you're in your CodeGPT Studio, you need to first of all connect your repository. You need to create a free account on it and navigate to the code graph and click on Add Connection. After this, you need to select your specific Git provider, that is GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or any other thing. Now you need to select the repository and create your graph. You need to choose a specific repository you want to analyze, and after you have done this, you need to explore and query the knowledge graph. After this, you can also automate your code review, which is completely optional, and this feature will automate the review process, detecting changes, identifying potential issues, and reporting possible security risks. So this is how you can analyze repositories using CodeGPT. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.